guys, let's make a video. And
he won't put down that
and
car.
today we are.
He won't put
Today
down
we are playing Remote Control Race Park. What's the name party? And we have two competitors. It's only my competitors, not Luca or Mike.
Run away from him!
Okay, show them our competitors. We have the Jeep and we have the red car. Okay, you ready for the race? Come on, follow me. Come on, ready? We're gonna see which one's faster. I believe.
The car was juking. Stop fucking with
I'm
him.
a fucking competitor. Okay, let him race.
Can I do yours?
Nope, I'm doing mine. Okay, let's get up. Let's get up. Ready, get up. Okay, Bryce, next one. Okay, I know it's about to rain.
No, we don't care. Yeah, go. Yeah, beat him. You gotta get to me.
Stunt jumps. No, not you. You can't do the stunt jump. Not when you have a camera. Let me leave. Hey, do a stunt jump. Ooh, okay. So this is our very old competitor. Ooh, that stunt jump. Hey, yeah, guys, it's probably.
I wouldn't post it.
Move the car, get out of the way.
Hey, Kobe, if I were you, I would not post this.
What?
I would not post this.
Yeah. Leave your car. Stop.
Wait, you gotta post this?
No, I posted 2 episodes of it.
Put it down.
The 3rd episode of it. Okay, we got Tug. Put your car like there. Pretty much like.
Yes, somebody's coming. Play chicken. Get out the road.
Get the car out of the road. Get the car out of the road. Okay, so the last 2 episodes we were on the subway driveway. Okay, we're gonna play Tug. Move the car in the way. Move it, we're gonna play Tug. We're gonna freaking kick her out. Kick your ass in Tug. Am I right? Black dog. Don't put your car over there. We're gonna play Tug.
Stop.
We're playing Tug. Okay? That means you hit each other. First one to hit each other loses. I mean, wins. Come here.
Here, Marley.
Hey, you gonna play with us?
Why?
Let's see. Bye, Luca. Jump it. Ooh. Okay, something's wrong with that. And the jokester got away. Jingle bells. I know it's not Christmas, but I don't fucking care.
Hey, boys. What? This Nick shit on here. Oh, thanks shit on here. It's a man shit.
Look out, Luca. Whoa. Look at the wheel.
I know that's what I was trying to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. Can I
Hey, help me. Come here. You can't skip my camera.
Can I drive it?
Look.
Can I drive it?
No. Aw, damn it, it's starting to rain. Once it starts raining, we have to go back inside.
Why?
Because I don't like the rain.
I don't like Wayne, but I love Wayne. Can I drive it?
No. Okay, I want to do it. Stop time it. Freaking playing in the rain. That's stupid. Put it down, Peyton. I'm gonna fucking run you in the ditch. Stop touching my car. Cameraman. Oh, cameraman, stop. Mr. Cameraman, no.
Go! Get out!
No, cameraman.
Stop! Tell Mark to stop!
race cars, remote control race cars. Thanks for the competitors, Luca. The competitors are Mark, Joey, Luca, Weird Kid, and Mark.
Actually, his name is Badass.
No, his name's Albert.
Did he just throw your troll? He threw your troll over there.
Go get it. Luca, it's about to rain, so we have to go put him inside. Here, can you pick up my car? So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye. Does that remote still work? Check. Okay, it still works. Come on. Turn off the cars. Turn off the car. Turn it around and turn it off. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short on remote control race cars. We didn't have a lot of time because it rained. Stirring. Where am I at? I'm right here. We don't know. Told you to turn it off.
Okay.
Come on. It's okay. Don't be scared. It's the red car off.
I can't turn this off.
It's already off.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
I'm maybe there. What are you doing?
Where are you going?
Why are you videoing me?
Where are you going?
I'm going there.
Going where? Where Luke is going?
Hey,
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the short
don't
remote
post that, don't
control race car. I am. This is the third episode. How to make a third.
Hey, post this.
You guys enjoyed and bye.
Wait, this.
Ah,